Alright guys, so Dream 36 Montego Bay being developed as an ultra luxury apartment complex. So that's what we'll be taking a look at today. And don't forget, we'll be doing some drone shots of this apartment. This is the first time I'm gonna do some drone shots. I've done 2 other videos already. I'll definitely put that in the comment for you guys, so you guys can check out the first 2 videos of the property as well. So stay tuned. Alright, so Dream 36, that's where we're at today. So you guys will be getting an exclusive tour of this ultra luxury apartment complex. Remember to definitely like, guys. Remember to also leave your comments. So let me know what you think about the property. We see they're now painting most of the glass is in. So let me know what you think about the property so far in terms of the pace of the work and everything that's going on. Remember to like the video, remember to share, and definitely subscribe as well. So let's go closer and take some shots. So very big front yard, so lots of parking space will be available. It's 7 floors with penthouse on the top floors. We have rooftop bar, infinity pool, convenience store. You have right in the middle here boardroom, cinema. You have gym. You have jogging and children's play area at the back as well, because there's still a lot of land space even with the building. I know what I'm gonna do. I have a short video that outlines the entire complex. I'm gonna put that short video right here, so wait for that video. It's coming up shortly, so it's loading now and it's coming now. So we're now at the back of the complex, and to be honest, I'm a little bit surprised with the back design. I'm liking how the back looks, to be honest. It's unique, and you know, sometimes you look at some apartment complex, the back is just flat and plain. This one really does have a nice design at the back, so the persons with the back apartments will have a complete ocean view based on the floor they're at or the floor they're on. But I like the back. Let me see if I can give you guys some better shots. And definitely when we put the drone up to get some eagle eye views, you guys will be able to see a much better view of the back and the entire complex. So definitely stay tuned for the drone view, guys. Alright, so nice view of the back. And I think I like the colors as well. What do you guys think about the colors? There's a lot of glass in this construction, and I know some persons are really taunting for Dream 36 to take that #1 spot as the best ultra luxury apartment complex in Jamaica. We know, you know, 20 South is up there. We know Spyglass that I featured recently is up there as well. Via at Raymore is up there. So let's see who's gonna take the #1 spot when they're all complete. Let me know what you guys think. Dream 36, Montego Bay, St. James, Jamaica. Alright guys, so we're now in the lobby area. So it's the lighting is going up for the lobby and the reception. And we also have the elevator access right here. Alright, so we are on the first floor. So we're gonna head on upstairs. There's also a model unit that we'll be taking a look at so you guys can have a general size of the unit and you know, you probably can set it out as well. Alright, so let's head on upstairs. And we see fire suppression system in, you know, water and everything, smoke detectors. Alright, so we're now on the second floor. So we have white doors with code and access card. And then we have, you know, balcony along this corridor. And then you can come on here and then you can look over into the reception area. Alright, so these doors have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, show the time and date as well. Alright, so we're now on the third floor, so we see the elevator access, a little lobby area again, and I think this will be the boardroom right here. And again guys, we're at Dream 36 ultra luxury apartment complex here in Montego Bay, St. James. I think 1-bedroom unit is available and 3-bedroom penthouse. Just a few are left. All the 2 bedrooms are gone. So if you guys are interested, this is the last lap. So only a few units left, 1-bedroom and 3-bedroom penthouse, and we're on the 3rd floor. You see an airplane just took off from the Donald Sangster airport. So the airport is just a few minutes away. And if we look out that side, that's the Blue Diamond Plaza out that side. So just a few minutes from the heart of Montego Bay, very close to the airport, very close to beaches and other, upscale communities as well. There are few, well, I think 2 or 3 gated complexes right next door to this one as well, as you'll see in the drone shots. So we're now on the 4th floor. All right, so Dream 36 is also close to the upscale community of Ironshore. So these are some views from the 4th floor, and this will be, I think part of this will be the cinema. So you'll have a movie theater here, which guests can book. Not guests, residents can book. They can even invite over guests to have a movie night. You have a powder room / bathroom right there. So Dream 36, 3-bedroom penthouse, 1-bedroom. Alright guys, so 3-bedroom penthouse and the 1-bedroom, those are what's available. And again, in terms of the developer, the phone number for the developer, if you guys need to reach out, I'll put it in the comments as well. But this is the phone number for the developer if you need to check on availability or if you're interested. So it's 383-5678, 383-5678, and I'll put it in the comments. So you want to move early because I'm sure that the remaining units will be gone in no time. It's literally less than 5 total units available. And again, just showing you guys some glimpses because I'm going to go in one of the more completed units to show you guys around. Alright, again, elevator access. We're now on the 5th floor. You also have a staircase right here. And I think this is a lounge area, a chill spot / games room. So it's a big space. And again, you'll have views of the mountain, and to the back you have views of the ocean. Dream 36 guys, what do you think? Guys, so I'm literally leaving the model room for last. So this one now is one of the penthouse. I'll show you guys around real quickly. So all the penthouse will have, let me see if I can pull this. Well, it's not pulling, but this is the view from the balcony. And all the rooms do have an ocean view. That's why it was designed. And to the front would be the mountain view. So this is the penthouse. So the kitchen area. And I'm assuming the dining room area. And then more than like the bedroom number 1. You have closet area. I like the white. The white creates, some luxury and some elegance. So I like the use of white. Very tall doors. Tray seating, recessed light, fan, pipe for AC. Then this would be the shower, standing shower. So this is one of the penthouse. And again, living room has the tray ceiling. Guests can also use this bathroom, which is a door from the living room. Then laundry area right here. A good size laundry, so I guess it's laundry and storage. Alright guys, so let's take a look upstairs, because this is the penthouse. Alright, so this is the upper floor. Again, another This looks like a living room space. All right, I think this is a bedroom. Yeah, because then this is the closet area. And then this would be storage. This penthouse bathroom is really nice. So you have jacuzzi right here. You have a window here to get some views. You have a little toilet area, separate. And then the bathroom continues down here. Is an earth sink, vanity mirror with light, and then shower enclosure. So I like this penthouse bathroom. All right, let's take a look at the balcony. So the balcony is a lot bigger for the penthouse. And again, views to die for. So we have the main out there where your tire warehouse is. That's where you enter from. So there will be the recreational area and jogging trail as well. This is a neighboring, some neighboring townhouse complex. It's a very big balcony. You can literally have a mini party out here. And then the airport is so close. So very nice location. Let me know what you think, guys. And then this would be now the third bedroom. So the penthouse has 3 bedrooms. So the one we're just coming out would more than likely be the master, with such a nice bathroom. And then this would be the third bathroom. Alright guys, so we are on the rooftop. So views all around. Let me give you guys a 360 turn. Apologies for the heavy wind noise. And we have the Blue Diamond Plaza just over there. Blue Diamond. I have a video on that plaza on the channel, you guys can check it out. We have the Ironshore upscale community in Montego Bay. So on the roof we'll have the infinity pool. We'll have a concession store, bar, gym. You'll have area for parties, stuff like that. So as you see, the roof is very big, and I think they're gonna also make a covered area as well. So whether it's a party, a birthday party, a engagement party, a shower, baby shower, you know, you can host it on the roof as well. So the elevator comes up to the roof. So just showing you guys some glimpses of the roof. And then to this side is the view of the mountain or the hill. So that's the view from this side. And it's lots of empty land, lots of vacant and land that is ready for development is still in this community. So I'm sure over the next couple of years we'll see a lot more development like Dream 36 in this section of Montego Bay. Elevator comes up to the roof, and then from the elevator you'll have the infinity pool. So not wide, but it's long. And then you'll have the view of the mountains from the pool. So you'll also have a jacuzzi area on the rooftop as well over this section. So you'll have pool to one side, jacuzzi to the other. So Dream 36 ultra luxury living. Let me know what you guys think about the amenities and the final product. Alright guys, so we're going to take a look on the inside of this model unit. So we have a keypad, it also have fingerprint open, and it's also connected to the Wi-Fi, so you can open it remotely from miles away. So fingerprint code Wi-Fi in a smart lock. So let's take a look inside. Alright guys, let's take a look inside. Hold on, who do we have here?
Hi guys.
Hey Mrs. Rush, what's up?
Hi, I'm doing great.
Welcome to Dream 36. Alright, so this is a model unit guys, so it's still a very active construction site. But what the developer did was to, fix up a model unit so persons can have a better look of the layout of a one bedroom would stay. So this is a one bedroom. So we have the dining area, living area. Then we have the dining area, and then we have the kitchen area over here as well. So you have space for a fridge, stove, microwave, cabinets, and throughout the entire apartment, we're seeing where white is the theme, so very luxurious. And we also have double sinks here, white countertops. You have a window in the kitchen here along with electrical outlets as well. So still not yet completely finished, but they wanted us to see what a layout for a one bedroom would be like. So the vent there for the stove. So we have tray ceiling, recessed lighting. So this is a view from the kitchen area. One bedroom unit, we still have one bedroom available, just a few, and 3-bedroom penthouse available as well. So you guys need to reach out because in no time they'll be gone. Especially being that we're so close to completion. All right, so kitchen, dining, living, and entertainment area right there. Then over this side we have let's take a look from this angle. Seems to be a stackable washer dryer. All right. And this would then be the laundry area. So we have a little bit more space in here. So probably a sink and storage. And let's take a look at the bathroom area. All right, so for the bathroom area, so we have double sink. Again, white is the theme throughout the apartment complex. Vanity mirror with lights around the mirror. And shower here. Okay. Then the shower head is this side. Alright, so this is the bathroom area. So it's right to the front. So being it's a one bedroom, if you have guests over, then they can use that area as well. And again, we're just showing the layout of a one bedroom. You don't have to set it up this way, it's up to you. And white couch. You know, some persons say that, you know, an apartment in full white represents luxury. What do you guys think in terms of the color scheme? So that would be the TV and entertainment area. And then we have the balcony out here. So you can also access the balcony from the bedroom, which we're going to take a look at the bedroom now, because this is a 1 bedroom unit. And guys, the funny thing, when an apartment has furniture in it, when an apartment is staged, it just looks so much bigger. When you can, you know, see where everything goes and everything is in position, really looks a lot bigger, guys. So let me know what you think. 1 bedroom apartment. Let me know what you think about the size. And again, persons that are interested, I mentioned the developer phone number already. I'll also put it in the comments for you guys so you can reach out. So let's go in the bedroom now. So this is the main bedroom for the 1 bedroom.
Welcome to the bedroom.
Right, so this is the king size bed, already piped for AC. We have a very cute light over there, hanging light from the ceiling. I like it. Two of them over the side tables.
Dream 36.
Dream 36, that's right. So I think it's a really cool name for this apartment. And you can find a lot of things that will have the word dream in it to customize your apartment. So this is the bedroom. Decent size, what you guys think? So this is a king size bed. And then we have the balcony area here. And again, the apartment that we're in right now is still not yet fully finished. So you may see different tools and equipments around the area. So we're on the second floor. So this is your second floor view. Decent sized balcony which goes back into the living room area. And again, around this section will be jogging and recreational area. So both to the front and to the back, there's a lot of space. And remember, some of the amenities of Dream 36 is movie theater, conference room, multiple lounge area, rooftop bar, convenience store, jacuzzi, infinity pool, gym. Lots of amenity, guys. They're literally competing for that #1 spot in Jamaica as the luxury apartment complex. So we have closet area and storage area here. They're on both sides. This door will lead back to the bathroom, so you can enter the bathroom from your bedroom. And if you have guests over, being that it's 1 bathroom, then they can use it as well. So we have shelves in. So lots of storage area on both sides. And again, all the doors and woodwork is white. Cabinets are white, just to give that luxury vibe. Right here at Dream 36. Alright guys, so again, let me know what you think.